Hello travellers, first I want to say happy Valentine's Day, and in the vein of Valentine's Day we're taking a look at this very nice shell pink rolling luggage suitcase from a company called BAGSMART. Now this was sent to me for review and my thoughts and opinions are entirely my own. And they did also send me this here, which is the Blast 6-piece compression packing cube set. Now this is actually kind of something that you can buy separately, but its design goes hand in hand with the Blast backpack, which I will be reviewing in a separate video along with this. But I did just want to say that these packing cubes can also be used in conjunction with the rolling luggage. So if we take a look around at the luggage here, you can see that it has a standard TSA safe lock here, and you can change the settings of the code, so you can change whatever code you want. Just move that across and then you unzip it. Now it does also have grab handles on each side, and if we take a quick look at the bottom here, you can see that the wheels are also very well made. They have a little bit of suspension as well, and they are fully rotatable and very smooth running. On the top you get the sliding retractable handle and another grab handle. There's some information here on how to change the locks code as well, and they actually handily include this name tag, so if you wanted to write your name on there or your address or contact details, so in case you want to identify your bag at the airport or if it gets lost. And they also got this cool one here which says here or there, now or never. So these are removable, you can take those off if you want, but I think they're quite cool because they're just button push on. This one might fall off, so I'd probably take that one off. But this one is actually more secure, as you can see here, it loops around. And on this side you have the zip for expanding the bag if you wanted to have a larger capacity. Now that's not all, of course, so taking a look inside this bag here, you can see it's actually very well lined and it has these buttons here. So I'll show you these compression straps inside as well. So these buttons, you can actually take this off. This is kind of a dividing panel, so you could put documents in here, which I think is very handy. Then you have the zip, so you can get through the back side of the lining. That's all for this side, so let's swing around. So on the other side, you actually have quite a few different panels for organizing your things. So there is a clear pocket here, which has some paper in there at the moment, but you could put, again, documents or socks and stuff in there. And there's another pocket here, which has a bit of expandability to it. And when you unzip this section here, you get into this compartment, which again has a zip to the back of the lining. Now, as I mentioned, the packing cubes, they actually fit very nicely. You could put two of those side by side or one larger one. Again, on this side as well, you could put a larger one or two side by side there. So the packing cubes definitely are designed to fit into their bags. And just while I'm here, I'll show you what the expansion looks like. So let's go ahead and expand that. Okay, so this is the expanded size. You can see you get that much more expandability on all sides. As you can see there, quite a bit more range. I believe it goes from about 40 to 48 or something like that. So it's a bit like an accordion, which is very cool. And all the zips run very smoothly and feel very high quality and well made. Let's go ahead and zip that up again. There we go. So that is all back together again. So that was it, a quick look there at, as I said, the Gateway 20-inch rolling suitcase. Very well made. Definitely go ahead and check out BAGSMART for more information, and there will be links in the description and discount codes as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.